not least, we have Paul Busby, and he is the Director of Economic Research for Rare Coin Wholesalers. Paul is a vital part in developing the numismatic client services division of the company, which includes sales training, developing financial brochures, supplying, writing economic articles for the company's blog, and tracking the world economy. His goal is to raise awareness about the industry from bullion, common numismatic, rare numismatic, the dollar-gold relationship, generational wealth preservation, slow liquidity issues, especially with IRAs and 401ks, risk on leveraged gold ETFs, gold confiscation, Federal Reserve indicating a switch to a stronger dollar policy, and moving from a government anti-business to a pro-business policy. Paul has applied his expertise to 3 companies over the past 20 years before joining the RCW team, and has a track record of helping to develop a department from scratch. While serving as a U.S. Marine with a classified clearance, he completed a bachelor's degree in marketing. Please welcome our panel.
This $50 have switched with what they did. What they did is they said they're going to sell off all the short-term bonds and treasuries. And when they do raise the interest rate, what will happen is real simple. Long-term loans won't go up much because they locked in the long-term loans by buying tons of bonds and treasuries, and they locked it in at a pretty low rate. The short-term ones will go up. And when they go up, banks will not be borrowing from the Fed anymore and buying bonds and treasuries. They're going to turn around and start lending to private businesses because most bad private businesses, well, they were gone a year ago. The ones that are left are lean and mean. And once they raise the interest rates, the risk of return to lend to private businesses comes back. So they will start lending to private businesses. Private businesses have about $2 trillion sitting on the sidelines. Once they can get a loan from a bank again, they're going to take that money immediately and start hiring people, buying capital equipment. The people they hire will start going to the bank to get loans, to buy homes, spend money again. Those capital equipment companies will have to start hiring people and gearing up. You know, this is not going to happen fast. This is like a freight train that's been going 70 miles an hour toward a debt bridge that's out. To a Democratic Congress passed a law making it illegal to put numismatic coins at all into IRAs or 401s or anything like that. The only thing you can put in these things is bullion. All right, now, when you're playing the bullion market, bullion is cyclical, just like the U.S. economy. It goes up, it goes down. And if you look over a 20, 30, 40-year period, you're going to lose out on inflation doing bullion if you go through the cycles. To make money on bullion, you buy low, sell high. Bullion right now is very high. It's got a lot of risk right now. It's probably going to tank for a while. You wait till it goes down, then you buy low and sell high. Does that answer your question? In other words, in your IRA, I would be looking, all commodities are going to go down when this happens. You wanted to get into something that is neutral to the dollar, or something that's going to do well by the dollar strengthening. But if you want something that's really safe, get into something that's neutral to the dollar. It doesn't matter if the dollar goes up, dollar goes down. This is going to do. One thing that does that are rare numismatic coins. But you have to deal with an ethical, honest company. There are lots of ways to third-party verify this. We have red flag sheets here. It gives you the 9 most common ways that you can gouge in this industry, and 11 third-party resources. You can verify what you're doing before you're doing it, so you do good business. Okay, drop by the booth. We'll give you one of these, whether you buy from us or somebody else. At least you'll know some of the things to do to protect yourself. You know, I don't know how many people a month I talk to, you know, spend $180,000 for something that's only worth $130,000. Okay? Again, as long as you're dealing with an ethical, honest company, you verify what you're doing before you do it, you can make money in this industry. You have options, but you have to look at those options. Which ones apply to your portfolio, your family? Which ones apply over time?